We're here to present a quick demo of QCloud. What's it like to work with the leading environment for data integration and data management? QCloud is the first data integration and data management cloud, and we're pleased to share it with you. First step in the process is to connect the data sources. Data sources are automatically mapped into our system after we put in the security permissions, and we can see everything in your cloud or on-premise systems through the QCloud console. It's all there, it's easy to get to, and the structure of the data is exposed for you to see. Step 2 is to learn more about the structure of the data, because in integration you want to map two sets of data together. You want to know that Tom Smith in one system is the same as Tom Smith in the other. So you have to know how to connect different address fields or zip code fields or other fields relevant to the information that you want integrated. This information about the data about the data is called metadata, and we expose it automatically. Here you can see in NetSuite, an object-oriented application in the cloud. We show one of their objects and all of the subfields that make it up, and now you're in a position to see what's inside them and understand how to integrate it. Of course, we automate this since our blades understand the structure of the data, but today we're giving you a deep look at the technology. So now you can drill in. You can actually go into any source and see the underlying data components. This is a very, very powerful capability. None of your other vendors will let you do this probably. But for any source that's connected, not only can you see the metadata, but now you can look at samples of the data, the actual structure of the data. You can look at data records, and so long as you have the security permissions, look at any data element in any system you have. You could connect 20 systems to your QCloud and look through the data, all without an intervening application. This is part of discovery, and part of what you need to do to understand how to map things together. Now you start to find common data elements. We call this in our data dictionary color auto map. You click on one field that you want to integrate with another system. So I want to move the home phone number over for John Smith into this other system automatically, and then we show you, based upon our automated analysis, the likely match based upon color intensity, hue, and other numeric indicators. These are part of the automation and tools that we provide that make QCloud different. It makes it much, much easier to implement our technology. Data virtualization powers all of this and gives us an advantage that no other vendor can provide. Step number 5 is you create the transforms. Okay, in one system it's New York, N-E-W-Y-O-R-K. In another it's N.Y. How am I going to convert that easily and rapidly? And we do this through the power of virtual fields. They don't exist in our system. The data is not there, but the method for transforming the data is there, and it's used if and when you want it to happen. Automatic, fast, and easy. There's no widgets, there's no graphical items here. This is just about checking boxes and automation. It's so easy to use, we can do an integration perhaps in just a few hours. Now, of course, we have to align the data. We have to make sure that all the data elements are mapped up between the different systems. We understand the semantics. We've done some of our transforms. And by clicking a few more boxes, boom, address fields are lined up. State fields are lined up. Text fields are lined up. Whatever it is that you want to align. It could be customers. It could be products. It could be HR data, vendor data. Whatever it is, we bring it all together automatically and easily for you. Step number 7. Okay, now you're ready to go. You know that you can match John Smith between the two systems. You know that the keys that you've selected will authoritatively match John Smith. You know it's the right John Smith. And now data harmonization makes it go fast and easy, automatic. When something changes in a source of truth, pursuant to the business rules you've set up, away you go. There's so much we haven't shown you. We haven't shown you how our data quality works to set it up. And there's a lot more that you can learn about us. Email sales@qplix.com. There's tremendous ROI in the system. The special promotions we have make this less than half the cost of any competitive system for several months. So now's a good time to get involved. There's no coding, no SQL, no scripting. It's just click, configure, and go. But the most important point, after you've seen this demo, no matter what we say, is that since we can do this so rapidly, why not just let us do the integration for you? We'll talk it through, we'll determine how easy it is to do, and we'll just get it done for you. In the final analysis, you really don't want to do the integration, you just want it to run. You just want your business apps to provide the connectivity and then the return on investment that you expect from having that kind of integration done. We'll do it all for you. And that's really the right place to go. Give us a call, email sales@qplix.com, and let us set up your data integration and data management QCloud. We have 3 flavors of QCloud: Silver, Gold, and Enterprise. You can learn more about them by visiting our website, www.qplix.com, and seeing our other video demos. Thanks and have a great day.